Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to draw uh, a stress strain diagram of a ductile material and also a brittle material. This one is the ductile materials. So this is the strain, and this one, horizontal is the strain, and vertical is stress. So the first one is the proportional limit, where the stress is proportional. Then this one is the elastic limit, uh, and it will be the elastic limit is the uh, which is the show the elasticity, which is also the features of the materials, and this one is the yield point, and this one is the ultimate strength point, and this one is the breaking point, and the yield point to the breaking point. This range is called the plastic range, and the elastic range to the initial point is called the elastic range. So uh, that one was the ductile materials stress and stress diagram, and this one is the stress strain diagram of a brittle material, and horizontal is showing the strain, and the vertical line is showing the stress, and this is the break point. So now I will start a new drawing, how to draw, and I will show how to draw a stress strain diagram of a ductile materials and also the brittle materials. Now I am going to the line command, sketching a line. Okay, then again taking the line, go upwards. Okay, then going here, going here, okay, then up to this one and up to this. Okay, done. After that I'm going to the arc, and 3 point arc is taken, this point and the middle one, then to this. Okay, done. uh, okay, then I'm taking the line is up to this also, then this one and up to this. Right button is click, enter. I'm removing the previous one, ignore it. Okay, then delete from the keyboard, and I'll say select it and delete from the keyboard. Then I'm taking the arc again and taking from one point, another point, and the another point. Select this one, then delete from the keyboard. Okay, done the whole things. Now I'm drawing the arrow. Okay, then click, go to the mirror, and one click, another click. Then I don't want to erase the source object. Okay, done. Similarly, 1.8. Okay, another point. Right button is click, enter. Then select this one and also this one. Then go into the mirror, one click, and the another click, and we don't want to erase the source object. Now I have uh, notified all things. Okay, then I'm selecting this one, and this one is the proportional limit, proportional limit, where the stress and stress is proportion. Okay, one, enter, done. Then Again selecting this one, and this point is selected. Okay, this one is the elastic limit. Elastic limit, which shows the properties of elasticity. Okay, so it is need to sum upwards, not showing. Up to this one. Okay, done. Then escape from the keyboard, and also I am taking the strategy. Okay, so proportional limit, and elastic limit, and this one is the yield point. How can I show it? Okay, taking this y the yield point. Okay, I'm taking also one. It's done. I'm taking this one is downwards. Downwards. I'm taking also downwards, and I'm taking also downwards. Then escape from the keyboard. So now this one is the done proportional limit, elastic limit, and point. And I'm going to the linear dimension, and elastic point to up to this. This one is the elastic range. So I'm taking the elastic range, or NG range. Okay, and it will be also one. Okay, this one is the elastic range, and I'm taking also the linear dimension, and the distance from the yield point to the breaking point here to the first tick range, and in this range it will not come to the initial point. The deformation is occurred here. So and this point is also breaking point. BRA, then breaking point. Okay. This one is breaking point and taking the one. Then it will be shown. Then and this one is the ultimate point, ultimate strength. So your ultimate strength, PRN ZTH, ultimate strength. PRN ZTH. Your spelling is mistake. TREN GTH, ultimate strength. Okay. Then one, and okay. Here the whole things are done, and now I'm going to the note and taking the multi-text and click here. It will be the strain, STRAIN strain. Okay, and taking is also one, and again the multi-text sketch. This one is the stress, STRESS stress, and it will be also one. Then click here and stretch it upward up to here. Okay, then escape from the keyboard. Similarly click and it will be upward and size right. Okay, escape. Then again multi text is selected and draw here. Return the space, and I can take it as a straight strain diagram of ductile materials. Okay, and I'm taking this one is also one. Now I'm taking this one is this side. This one is done. Strain, stress, elastic range, and portional limit, elastic limit, yield point, plastic range, ultimate strength, and breaking point. Now I'm going to the home and taking the line command again. I'm taking the line from this top point in the vertex, and this one is the here. Okay, and the horizontal is up to this. Right button is click, enter. Again taking the line, and line is from here, and again from here. Right button is click, enter. Now I'm going to the fillet and select the radius. I'm taking it 5, enter, one click and enter. Again I'm taking the fillet again and not in radius, it will be 5, enter, one click. The collinear lines cannot fillet it, so I have to, it will be the curve. So I'm taking the line command again and it will be simple curve. Okay, now after this, I can click. Then again taking the fillet and the radius will be 5 unit and one enter and another enter here. Okay, done. Then I'm delete this one. This one is the curve. You're watching. Now I'm going to the point here on the ladder and click here, and this one is the back. We are here to back, and I'm taking it also one, enter, done. Then line is taken and I'm taking the arrow and drawing the arrow, again taking the line and drawing an arrow. Okay, enter, select this part and also this part, then taking the mirror and click here, another click is here. Now done. Similarly I'm taking the line again and sketch and one click, another click, another click, right button click, enter. Select to this line and go to the mirror. One click is this point, specify one point and specify the second point. And I don't want to erase the source, that's why no. Now go to the annotate and select the multi-text. One click here and strain. So it will be the strain and it will be units 1. Similarly, multi-text, one click is here. So the space and click here and it will be also 1. Done. Then click and it will be first after this one. Then click here and drag it up to here. It will be more. Then I'm going to the multi-text again and click here and drag it. The stress and strain diagram of brittle material. Okay, done. Then click and it will be 1. Okay, I think everybody got it how to draw it, the stress strain diagram of a ductile materials and also the stress strain diagram of a brittle materials. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe the channel and like, comment and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you. If you have any comment, please drop your comments in the comment box. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video.